Hello students, today we are going to learn how to convert a recurring decimal into a fraction. So suppose there is a question 0.3 bar. You have to convert it into fraction. So there is two ways to convert it into a fraction. First way, that will be we have to take this number as x. So let x equals to 0.3 bar. So after that, you have to think about how many after decimal there is how many digits are there. So after decimal there is only one digit. So we have to multiply this x by 10. So it will be 10x equals to 3.33333 dot. So this is my first equation. This is my second equation. So next what I have to do, we have to subtract the second equation from the first equation. Here you have to careful that after decimal here and after multiplying it by 10 you should have the same thing. Okay, that all the recurrings should be after decimal. You are subtracting, so 10x minus x, and in the right hand side you will get 3.333 minus 0.33333 . So if you subtract, you will get 9x equals to 3. So obviously we can easily find the value of x. So after transposing, it will be x will be 3 by 9 or x will be 1 by 3. So that means we have taken the x as 0.3. So obviously 0.3 bar means 1 by 3. So that will be the fraction conversion. Second type of question we can have is 1.4 bar. So that means before decimal we have a digit other than 0. So in that case also we are going to take it as x. So 1.4 bar or 1.4444 dot. So you have to again count how many digits after decimal we have. We have only one digit here. So you have to multiply it by 10. If we have two digits, then we have to multiply it by 100. So up 10x means 14.44444 dot. So this is my first equation, this is my second equation. You have to subtract them. So second equation minus first equation, you will get 10x minus x equals to 14.44444 minus 1.44444 So you will get 9x equals to 13. So x must be 13 by 9. So that means the fraction conversion, that is 1.4 bar, will be 13 divided by 9. So that will be the second type question. The third type question is 0.57 bar. This is the third type of question. In that case, what we have to do, we have to again take it as x. So x is equals to 0.57 bar, or x is equals to 0.577777. So here after the decimal we have only two digit, but in one digit we have bar, but other one is without bar. So first we are going to multiply it by 10. So 10x will be 5.7777, so that we are having all the sevens after decimal, and then you have to multiply it by 100x. So we will get 57.77777 dot. So this is my first equation in that case, and this is my second equation. You can subtract them. Second equation minus first equation, will get 100x minus 10x, which is equals to 57.777 minus 5.7777 . So that means you will get 90x is equals to 52. So that means x will be 52 by 90, which is equals to 26 by 46. Sorry, 45. So that means if you convert the recurring decimal 0.57 bar, you will get 26 by 45 as your answer. This is a third kind of question. But we have a simple way to do it. What is the simple way? The simple way is 0.3 bar. This is 0.3 bar. So whatever, without the decimal, without the zeros, without the bar, whatever the number if is, we have to make it, I have to write it down in numerator. Then you have to subtract something who doesn't have any bar. So in that case, we are subtracting 0 because 0 doesn't have any bar. Now in the denominator, you have to put that many 9 who have bars in the head. So only one digit have bar. So there will be only one 9. That means we are getting 3 by 9 or 1 by 3. The second example I have taken, that is 1.4. In that case, what you can do, you have to write all the number without the decimal, without the bar. So that means it will be 14. Subtract, in the numerator you have to subtract the number that doesn't have any bar. So in that case, you have to subtract 1, and you have to divide it by that many nines who have bar over it. So only one 9. So that means it will be 13 by 9. And the third example that I have taken, which is 0.57 bar. So in that case, again same, you have to take the number without decimal, without bar, so 57. Subtract the number who doesn't have any bars, so you have to subtract 5, divided by that many number who have bars, only 1 9, and that many zeros after decimal, the numbers, that many numbers doesn't have any bar. So in that case, only one number doesn't have any bar, so you have to put 0, only 1 0. So it will be 52 by 90, which is equals to 26 by 45. So you can see in that simple way you can have the answers without that longer calculation. Thank you for watching the video. You can subscribe me for more interesting stuff.